Have you ever stopped to ponder on the kind of life you are creating for yourself? It's a thought that may not cross your mind every day, yet it's a question of profound significance. Are you intentionally crafting your existence, or are you just letting life happen to you? The choices we make, the thoughts we harbor, they all contribute to the masterpiece that is our life. You are indeed the architect of your own life, and today we delve into the blueprint to understand this concept better. The universal law of assumption. Ever heard of it? Well, if not, you're in for a treat. This law takes us a step beyond the popular law of attraction. While the law of attraction is about attracting what you want through positive thoughts and visualization, the law of assumption is a bit different. The law of assumption says that you don't have to attract anything. Why? Because everything you desire you already possess. It's a mind-bending concept, but it's all about perspective. It's about shifting your mindset from wanting and waiting to knowing and owning. It's like this. Imagine you've ordered a book online. You've paid for it, and now you're just waiting for it to be delivered. You don't worry about whether you'll get the book because you know it's already yours. That's the law of assumption. You believe that what you desire is already yours, and you're just waiting for it to manifest in your life. Now you might be thinking, well, that sounds simple enough, but how does it differ from the law of attraction? Good question. The law of attraction is about focusing your thoughts and emotions on your desires to attract them into your life. But the law of assumption takes it a step further. It's not about attracting something into your life. It's about acknowledging that it's already there. Imagine you're an artist with a blank canvas. The law of attraction says you'll attract the colors and shapes you need to create your masterpiece. But the law of assumption? It says that the masterpiece is already there, within the canvas, waiting to be revealed. You're not creating something new. You're uncovering something that already exists. So, the universal law of assumption is not about attracting or creating. It's about believing and revealing. It's about knowing that you already possess everything you desire and allowing it to emerge. The law of assumption is all about believing what you want is already yours. Intriguing, isn't it? Ever met someone who just didn't sit well with you, or someone whose energy just uplifts you? Now, let's delve into the fascinating realm of human interactions. Picture this. You're walking down a bustling street surrounded by people of all walks of life. Every person you pass, every individual you interact with, is a unique world unto themselves. Yet, have you ever stopped to think about how these encounters reflect your own self? Let's start with the people who might rub you the wrong way. You know the ones I'm talking about, the folks who just seem to strike a dissonant chord in your heart. It can be easy to dismiss these encounters as mere annoyances, as random blips in the symphony of life. But what if I told you there's more to it than meets the eye? That these discordant notes often reveal hidden aspects of our own selves. It's a tough pill to swallow, but often the traits in others that irritate us are the ones we haven't fully acknowledged in ourselves. Now let's talk about the other side of the coin. Those radiant souls whose energy just makes you feel good about yourself. These are the people who inspire us, who empower us, who make us strive to be better. Their light shines bright, illuminating our own potential. It's like they hold up a mirror that reflects the best parts of us. These interactions are not just chance encounters, they are signposts pointing us towards our true selves. These two types of people, the ones who irk us and the ones who inspire us, they are both crucial to our personal growth. They help us understand ourselves better, to see both our shadows and our light. So next time you cross paths with someone who stirs strong feelings within you, pause for a moment. Look beyond the surface. Ask yourself, what is this person showing me about myself? Remember, everyone you meet is a mirror, reflecting parts of you. Now that we understand what the law of assumption is, how do we use it? A great question, indeed. To tap into this universal law, we need to start by recognizing our desires. What is it that you truly want? Once you've identified that, you must assume that it's already yours. That's right, you've got to believe it in your heart, feel it in your bones. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You see, the law of assumption isn't about pretending or making believe. It's about aligning your thoughts and feelings with the reality that you want to create. It's about living in the end, as if what you desire is already a part of your life. So how do we do that? Well, the first step is to visualize. See yourself living the life you want. experiencing the joy, the success, the love, whatever it is that you desire. Picture it vividly in your mind. Feel the emotions that come with it. This isn't just daydreaming, it's active creation through assumption. Next, speak it into existence. Use affirmations, positive statements that resonate with your desired reality. These affirmations should be present tense, as if what you want is already here. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." You see the difference? And finally, act as if. This means behaving in a way that aligns with your desired reality. If you want to be successful, what actions would a successful person take? If you want to be loved, how would someone who is deeply loved act? It's about embodying the reality you want to create. But remember, it's not about forcing or rushing. It's about trusting the process, about knowing that what you desire is already yours. And it's about allowing yourself to feel good, to feel empowered because you are, after all, the creator of your life. With the law of assumption, you are the creator, shaping your life as you wish. So go on, take the reins and create the life you've always dreamed of. You've got this. Now it's your turn. Step into the heart of this creation journey by courageously sharing your own experiences and insights. Your story is a powerful tool, a tapestry weaving together the threads of your desires, your assumptions, and the life you're bringing into being. Every person's journey is unique, a testament to the boundless potential of the universal law of assumption. As we each navigate our own path, we become a beacon, guiding and inspiring others through our shared experiences. So let's create a vibrant community of creators, a network of individuals who are actively shaping their lives. Comment below with your experiences, the desires you're manifesting, and the assumptions you're challenging. Share the victories, the lessons, the moments of realization, and the steps you're taking on this journey. Your insights could be the spark that ignites another's journey of creation. So don't hold back. This is your moment to shine. We can't wait to hear about the life you're creating. We've come a long way together, haven't we? As we draw to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked on today. We've dived deep into the heart of the universal law of assumption, a principle that empowers us to be the architects of our own existence, to shape our lives as we see fit. Remember, it's not about the law of attraction, but rather the law of assumption. It's the profound understanding that what we desire is already ours. It's about stepping into the belief that we are already in possession of our dreams, our aspirations, and our goals. It's not about attracting what we want, but about assuming it's already a part of our reality. We've also explored the profound role of the people we meet in our lives, those who may rub us the wrong way and those who make us feel good and empowered. Remember, they are mirrors reflecting something within us. If they trigger something in us, it's often an indicator of what lies within. It's a call to introspection, a call to look within and harness that energy positively, to create the life we desire. And then, we've looked at how to utilize this potent law of assumption. It's about shining the light on that power within us, the power that is often reflected back by the people we meet. It's about stepping into the belief that we are already where we want to be, and then aligning our thoughts, actions, and energy with that belief. Now it's your turn to share your creation. Yes, it's about what you're creating in your life right now, using the law of assumption. It's about the journey you're on, the dreams you're manifesting, and the life you're creating. We'd love to hear your stories, your experiences, and your creations. So, let's keep this conversation going. Let's continue to explore, learn, and grow together. Let's continue to create our lives, one belief, one thought, one action at a time. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and join us in this journey of life creation. Don't forget to leave a comment on what you're creating in your life. See you in the next video.